everyone! Today I'm sharing a brand new Canva AI voice hack. First, open apps and search for AI Voice Master. In voice description, describe the vocal traits you want. You can specify age, gender, accent, pacing, etc. If you're not sure how to describe the voice, you can simply enter a few keywords and click Refine. For example, I entered podcast male voice. Click their Fine button. It will automatically complete the description based on my input. We can refer to the generated content and make further adjustments based on it. When the auto preview text switch is on, the tool will automatically generate a preview script that matches our voice description. Of course, if you already have your script ready, turn off the switch and paste your own text in the preview text box. Just make sure the content matches the voice style. Once everything is ready, click Generate button and wait for a while. It will produce 3 voice options at once, and you can listen and choose your favorite. Choose a voice you like, then click Use this voice button to start generating your voiceover. Enter your script in the script text area. There are multiple input options here. You can type manually, upload a subtitle file, or select text directly in your design. Here, using manual text input. Enter your script in the script text area. You can also insert pauses or audio tags. There are many options, including emotional tags. Insert them as needed to improve the voiceover result. For example, I inserted a slows down tag here, which can be used to slow down the speech at a specific point. Of course, you don't have to insert these audio tags manually. Currently, I find the polish feature very convenient. Click the polish button, and it will automatically add appropriate audio tags to your script. As you can see, it has automatically inserted audio tags throughout our script, which makes it more beginner-friendly. Finally, click the Generate button, and a voiceover created with our custom voice will be successfully added. Hope this simple tutorial helps you get started. The rest of the features and tricks are waiting for you to explore.